In today's Real Estate AI in 5 series, I'm going to feature custom GPTs, specifically put spotlight on social media captions. Hello, I'm Rajiv Sajja, your host of the Real Estate AI Flash podcast, and I'm excited to share this custom GPT with you. So, what are custom GPTs? Just like ChatGPT is like a universal smart assistant that can help you with a variety of things, custom GPTs are very simply a version of ChatGPT built to do a specific thing well. And in this case, I'm going to demonstrate to you how do you use social media captions custom GPT that I've built that you can access today if you have a free ChatGPT account to leverage it. So let's dive in. So what we're going to do today, and all custom GPTs you can access by clicking on Explore GPTs on the left, and you will see, you'll get a search box. By the way, there are 3 million plus GPTs in the GPT store. And if you were to type in my name, you will see a bunch of them that are public, but the one we're going to focus on today is social media captions. If you click that and click Start Chat, now you're in that chat for it to generate social media captions. And in case you did not know, every custom GPT, you can ask the question, what does this GPT do? These are called conversation starters. Even if this didn't exist, you can type that in. So let me just type that in just so you're aware of what this GPT would do. And this GPT is specialized in helping real estate professionals create engaging, SEO-optimized social media captions and viral content. It leverages industry trends and simplifies the language to an 8th grade level. And it would generate, as you can see, for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google My Business, and X, and a video script. So to get started, it's telling you, and again, this is the way we've programmed this. Tone of the post, professional, casual, enthusiastic, informative. Key highlights like market data, depending on what you want to share, what target audience you're trying to appeal to, and any visual elements, okay? For the purposes of this Real Estate AI in 5, I am going to use the NAR RPR stat page for Basking Ridge, New Jersey, okay? So I am simply going to take a screenshot. This is how simple it is, folks. If you have a data from an MLS, feel free to use it, a visual, or you can type it in. But in this case, I'm just taking a screenshot of that, and I am simply uploading that screenshot. So it's got the screenshot, right, which is really my key highlights. I just need to tell it the tone of the post is informative and use the highlights from the attached image. If I can spell, that would be great. Image. Target audience is, let's just say we want to focus on sellers, okay? And that's really it, because it's tailored to spit this out. So let's hit it and let's see what it comes back with. It's going to try to summarize what's there in the graphic. Month supply of inventory 0.75, down 51%. List to sold price ratio, it's in that graphic, 107.8. Median days on market, market type, sellers. Now I'll create the social media captions. Now look at what it did here. This is programmed to give you Facebook with a subject, like a key thing. It has a little bit of emoji use. Again, you can have it say, do it without emojis, and it'll do it for you. But emojis are good to kind of illustrate a point. And look at how it sort of highlights and makes text in bold. So this does Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google My Business, X, formerly Twitter, and a video script for you to generate a 60-second video for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. How long did that take me? In actually doing this video, Real Estate AI in 5, it took me like 5 minutes. But once you get good with it, you can use social media captions, and that is our custom GPT highlight for this week. Great day.